Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue you're experiencing, where the screen on your Lenovo flops backwards on its own, is often due to a failure in the hinge mechanism. Over time, wear and tear can cause the hinges to weaken, making it difficult to maintain the desired angle of the screen. If this issue is not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage to the screen or the laptop body itself, resulting in a more costly repair. For this repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and a replacement hinge assembly. You may also want to have some tweezers and a clean workspace ready. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully opening the laptop and locating the screws that secure the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, placing them safely aside for reassembly later. Gently pry open the back panel using your spudger, taking care not to damage any of the internal components. Once the back panel is off, locate the hinge assembly. You'll find it attached to the screen and the laptop body. Inspect the hinges to confirm they are indeed the source of the problem. To extract the faulty hinge, you'll need to disconnect any cables that may be in the way, using your flathead screwdriver if necessary. Remember to take your time and apply gentle force to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the cables are disconnected, remove the screws holding the hinge in place and carefully lift it out. Now, take your replacement hinge and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect any cables that you had to detach, ensuring they are properly seated. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring it aligns correctly, and fasten it with the screws you originally removed. Finally, power on your device and check that the screen now holds its position as it should. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to handle your laptop with care, avoiding excessive pressure on the screen and hinges. Regularly inspect the hinges for any signs of wear and address them promptly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.